Hi there, and welcome back to my channel Full Stack Explorers. In today's video, we will work further on our e-commerce website front-end functionality and design. Today, we will design the product page. We will use DaisyUI components and implement it in our project. Let's get started now. Open New tab and search for DaisyUI. Click on First Link. Now click on See Components. Scroll down a bit and clicked on Card Now. Here you can see we have multiple design of cards provided by DaisyUI. We will take that card design which shows badges. Clicked on JSX as our project uses the React JSX. Copy the code from there. Now let's get back to VS Code and make the page for products. Now right-clicked on Routes folder, clicked on Create New Folder. Always remember, in Routes folder the file or folder represent the route name, as Fresh.js support both folder-based and file-based routing. Now create a new file with the name of index.tsx. Now create a default export method here. In this JSX, let's change that div to fragment. Now let's paste the code which we copied from DaisyUI website. Alright, let's check the changes in the browser now. Here we are in the browser now. Clicked on Products route which we made in navbar. As you can see, we have the card component now. Now get back to DaisyUI again as we need the button too for our card component. Click the JSX. We'll copy the just div block which contained the button in it. Now let's get back to our project again. In our card body div, paste that code which we copied from DaisyUI. Alright, let's check the changes in the browser now. Clicked on the Other tab now. As you can see, we have a button now. Let's add some margin above so it looks better. Get back to the project again. Add some margin top in our button div. Let's add some margin bottom to our parent div of card, also add margin left and right too. Let's check the changes again in the browser now. As you can see, it's looking much better now. Here we will show all products data which we get from our DB in future and show all products. In the next video, we will work on cart UI and show added products in the cart. That's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy coding!